Sometimes you need to disconnect to really connect with what's important. The all-new 2022 Indian Chief. Get lost and found at the same time.
Timeless. The ultimate definition of all that's truly classic. Like the all-new Indian Chief Bobber, a contemporary nod to the post-war era V-twins, chopped and bobbed by bold rebels intent on breaking the mold. It's for those who want a powerful ride that makes a powerful statement. A combination born by marrying the Thunderstroke motor with a classic steel tube frame and a fist-in-the-wind mini ape handlebar. The nacelle large headlight and fork covers give the Bobber a stout, tough look that's made complete by matching covered rear twin shocks. Classic spoke wheels wrapped in chunky tires give this bike a stance that'll stand out in a crowded parking lot. And all that power and attitude doesn't mean this bike can only be tamed by the most experienced riders. Its lower seat height and compact wheelbase make this a motorcycle for riders of all skill levels. We've also given this bike just enough tech to improve any ride, like a touchscreen gauge with turn-by-turn navigation, because all the attitude in the world won't keep you from getting lost. Unless, of course, you want to. But it doesn't end with a beastly motor classic frame and an outlaw attitude. It takes more to make something truly your own, and that's where our full range of accessories come in. Taller riders, or those who want an even more aggressive stance, will love our 8-inch rise mini ape handlebar and a muffler with slash-cut exhaust tips to intensify the look out back. Adding an air intake will enhance performance, not to mention the overall look of the Thunderstroke motor. And to complete the style or add versatility, there's floating solo seat and luggage rack options. These and many more accessories are available for the new Indian Chief Bobber. So head over to our website at www.indianmotorcycle.com and use our motorcycle configurator to build your own. The all-new Chief Bobber from Indian Motorcycle.
When I look at the new Chiefs, I mean, they echo the past completely. The single down tube frame. But what really grabs a hold of me is the engine that echoes the past of like the flathead side valve original version. Indian is inviting us to feel the past, but when you get on it, you're like accelerating into the future.